Written by Philip K. Dick and first published in 1962, The Man in the High Castle imagines what the world might look like if Germany and Japan had won World War II. Amazon Prime created a TV series based on the book, and within that show were many striking visuals of American cities, landmarks, and, yes, vehicles that were transformed under German socialist rule. This is a Matchbox Super Kings K-16 Ford tanker from the 1970s, and it's not in very good shape, so it will serve as the basis for my high castle conversion. Before I can repaint it, I'll need to take it apart, which involves a lot of drilling, and to reassemble it later requires even more drilling, followed by threading the holes to accept tiny screws for when it all goes back together. What color would be more appropriate than Rust-Oleum's dark gray, better known around here as Panzer Gray? The cab came apart in pretty much the same way as the trailer, with drilling followed by stripping the old paint, before it was also treated to several light coats of dark gray. I'm sorry, I meant to say Panzer Gray. The decals were printed onto inkjet decal paper, sealed with several light coats of clear gloss spray, and then cut out with an X-Acto knife. Now they can be applied just like any other decal with one exception. You can't use decal setting solution. I've tried, and it just makes these inkjet decals shrivel up. Deutsches Petroleum. That's a pretty easy one. German petroleum. But what does the second line mean? Treibstoff für die Zukunft. Well, it roughly translates into fuel for the future, which is why you see that picture of a little German girl right behind the slogan. Or in front of the slogan, depending on which side of the trailer you're looking at. These are two locomotives by Williams that I also reimagined for the Man in the High Castle universe. You can see how I made those in earlier episodes from Bob's Workshop. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.